In this video, we show you how to make your own flatbread, topped with smoked salmon and pesto. Let's do it! First, we work on the dough. Let's combine white flour, wholemeal flour, dry yeast, salt, oregano, rosemary, thyme, sugar, and extra virgin olive oil. Let's give it a good stir. Add warm water to the mix and keep stirring. Now it's time to work the dough. Dust the worktop with flour to prevent sticking. Next, start by shaping the dough into a ball. Then, proceed with this simple kneading motion. 1. Press and push forward with the heel of your hand. 2. Fold. 3. Turn and repeat. Do this for about 2 minutes to help develop the gluten. Now, roll the dough back into a bowl and transfer it in a greased bowl. Cover with a damp cloth and let it grow for at least 1 hour in a warm place, for example, under a wool blanket. It should double in size. The dough is ready to be cut into smaller balls and shaped into flatbread. The base ingredients make 3. Visit our site to adjust quantities for more or fewer portions. We will show you how to make one. The process is the same for the others. To cook it, brush some oil on a skillet. Cook the flatbread for 3 minutes on each side. In the final step, spread basil pesto over each flatbread. And add strips of smoked salmon. Garnish with fresh parsley, slice and serve. Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by following us and by liking and sharing the video. Thank you and have a great day!